man, I'm so hungry. Let's see what's in the fridge. Hi, I'm Hot Apple Pie. You're gonna be the hot apple pie in my tummy. Kristoff, what are you doing? Oh, terrible noises. Wires popping out. Ugh. Kristoff, were you trying to eat? Yeah, bye. Anna, Kristoff broke our fridge by accident. Okay, I hope we get a new one. I'll go to the store so we could get some food. Man, I guess Elsa sure does need a new fridge. Oh, yes, I really do. Do you have one? Well, I don't have one, but I'll give you one. Let's take this away. Look at this one. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this little Shopkin fridge. It says Shopkins on it. It's for all your Shopkins food. Whoa. That's really cool. Okay, let's open it. Let's see. This is so cute. Look at it. You can push the cup in there. Like this. And then something can drop in it, but we don't have anything in that right now. Let's see. I have little drawers and big drawers. And they also have the best part, the refrigerator part. They have little layers where you can put your stuff in. They have a little part where you can put your juices and like liquids and stuff you drink in it. And a little carton for eggs. So, we need some food to put in it. We sure do. Hey Elsa, could you tell us what foods you need? Well, we don't really need any certain foods, but we need food. That's it. We really need food. We need liquids, like stuff we drink. We need foods. We need some desserts too. That's the best part. Desserts. So that's what we really do need. Oh yeah, we need some fruit and vegetables too. All right, Elsa. Thank you for telling us. Oh, you're welcome. It was no problem. Wow, this fridge is looking good. So, what do we need to put in there first? What would you guys want to put in that new fridge first? You can answer in the comments. Well, Elsa? Ding dong, ding dong. I'll go answer the door. Why, look who it is. Mighty old Kristoff. Hi, Elsa. I got you a basket of food. Oh, how sweet of you, Kristoff. Oh, it was nothing. I'm sorry I broke your fridge. Oh, it's okay. We got a new one. A Shopkins one. I'm home. Man, that was a lot of shopping. Oh, look at Kristoff came, and he says he's sorry for breaking our fridge. And he also got us a basket of food. And Anna, look at our new fridge. It's really, really cool. Oh, cool. Maybe you could put the foods that we bought and Kristoff gave us in it. Let's see. What's the food that Anna bought at the store? Ooh, it's the ultra rare sour lemon. He's season 2. This is the season 3 Betty birthday cake. She is common. And these little eggies, so cute, that came with the set. The season 1 sets. From the season 1 sets. He's like, oh, she's like, oh no, this is not going to end out well. She's like, yippee, this is so much fun. And she's like, oh no, this isn't good. So, where should the eggies go? These silly little eggies. Who should go in the eggie holder? Coming out right there. Good and sprout. Here goes the eggies and about. Out and about. Yippery. That's the way we go with eggies. Oh, look how cute they look. So, let's see. What should we do with the birthday cake? Well, I think we should go up top. That's a great idea. That sure is a great idea. And the last thing, the lemon. The lemon should go right inside, below the birthday cake. Come on, sit down. There you go. Now, the food that Christoph got us. Let's see. He got us coffee drip from the pantry. No, from the homewares. He's season 2. The macaroon from season 3. This came with the set too. It's orange soda. Or lemon soda. Let's see what's next. I really do hope we get some yummy treats. Besides macaroon. Well, I hope we do, Anna. Ooh, here's some pie. Pecan pie. Which is pecan pie. Ooh, the season 3. What's his name? Oh, Toasty Bread. Here's Toasty Bread from season 3 from the bakery. Toffee coffee to go with that coffee maker. And there's an orange one with the toffee coffees, which is really weird. Why would you have orange coffee? So, and also Christoph gave us popcorn. So, let's see. Oh, and we forgot the one all the way in the back. It's the butter that came with the small mark. Oh, Christoph, it was so nice of you to give us this food. Oh, Anna, it was so nice of you to get us the food from the grocery store. It was nothing. Okay, let's see. Where should all these little foods go? Well, first, the coffee should go right in there, where the drinks pop out. Let's see. How about pecan pie? She should go right next to the cake. Let's see. Popcorn. Let's see. Right next to sour lemon. Don't fall. Oh, you fell. Come on, you silly guy. There you go. How about toasty bread? He should go right there. What should we do next? I think we should do the coffee maker right in the side. Here we go. Right in the side. Let's see. Oh, here I am, the butter. Let's put you in the side right next to coffee maker. Coffee drip. How about macaroon? I look yummy. Yes, you do. Let's put you right next to her. And the drink of Delicioso soda. She should go right in the drawer. Where should I go? Can I fit? Can I fit? Yep, you can fit. Now, look at our fridge. It looks really good and really nice. Let's close it now. What are we going to put in the drawers?
Oh, I think I know. The apple pie that I was trying to eat from your fridge. I should go get it from your old fridge and I can put it in the small drawer.
Oh, go ahead. We don't mind.
All right. I'm back. Here it is.
Little pie, hot apple pie. Let's take them out and put them in. I feel like I need to go on to another trip to the grocery store. Please, Elsa. All right, Anna, you can. Thank you, Elsa. I'll be back in a bit.
Hey Elsa, sometimes I feel like you have too much food.
Ha ha, very funny. So look how cute hot apple pie looks in that thing. Oh, and little soda pops on the pusher. It's so cute. Hey Elsa, do you think you have too much food?
No, actually I don't.
Wow, then you must feel like you're hungry.
Well, yes, I think I do feel hungry. So let's see.
Hi, I'm back with a basket full of food. Let's see. Ooh, nice stuff. Now, Anna, let's see what you bought. One of the things are not food. Okay, so here's an avocado. Here's alpha soup. Here's sausage sizzle. Here's waffle soup. Here's Gaga Gourmet, which is Gaga Fancy. Some washer, but why would you need some washer? I don't know. But let's just get it. And pancakes. So, what should we do? Well, I think since we're not going to be using this washer so much, it should go in the drawer with hot apple pie. I think those two are having a bunch of fun in there. Now let's close the drawer because there's no room for anyone else. So where are you all going to go? There's no room inside the fridge. I think I know. Right in the big drawer. Now let's get you. And you. Let's see. Now that should go there. That goes there. That goes there. And that goes there. I think they're all going to have a party in there sometime. Well, that goes back in the drawer. I love our new fridge. These are the compliments. I love our new fridge. It's just awesome. It's touching to me, actually, because I like these Shopkins, and they go nice and neatly in the fridge. Okay, that was also a comment. I actually liked it when I went shopping and I got more food for us to put in it, and they all fit. That's the best part of it. Lots of food can fit in this Shopkins thing. Okay.
And me? Oh, yeah, me? I'm very sorry I broke their old fridge.
But I guess I brought over some food so they can put in their new one. And I was surprised they got a new one. Bye, fans. I hope you liked the new fridge. The old one's perfectly fine. But here's the new one. Bye.